Rob, it's time for the Subaru to go bye-bye for a bit.
No.
Time.
Oh, it's okay. No. Don't worry about it. It's okay. It's okay. Ah, you gotta let go. Come on. I want to keep it. Get out of there. Get out. It's over. It's over.
You remember when we installed the carbon intake? It was such a good year. Let's have a moment of silence. Good morning, guys. Welcome to the Smurfinwrx channel. But a proper good morning to you guys. We are in the GTR today. Really full day. I have a 9 o'clock meeting, which I am already late to because there's a lot of traffic. We have a supply drop-off for boxes for tuna crate, and then we got to head over to the new office, or the second office, and start construction on there. So heavy day.
By the way, we finally got these little dogs, and we revised them, so they're in stock now.
That was our meeting with our clothing supplier, and they had like new stuff, so I wanted to take a look at it so we can increase Tuna Crate's quality. If you guys are Tuna Crate members, you've seen the quality change every month. What's up, baby? What's up, Rob? Let me see the box, huh? Yeah, the box is sick. The box is sick. Oh my gosh. It looks like a comic. It was with Max Boost, so you know. Oh, dude, the hats turned out super nice. Good morning, guys. It feels so nice to be back in this car. A lot of you guys asked me, like, Mike, why haven't you really driven the car? Did you abandon it? Did you forget where it came from? I'm gonna answer that question in the video today. My case just dropped out of my pocket. Okay. The Subaru bucket seats, man. It always happens in here because you sit at like your butt kind of sits into the car, so everything like dumps out of your pocket like some bully shaking change out of you. Always happens in this car, and I forgot because usually I dump my pockets into this cup holder right here. I love this car. I really miss it. One thing I don't miss is all the squeaks. Like you can hear the rattling here. Right behind the camera, there's a bit of rattling. The trunk is actually pretty good. It has the air suspension in it. It's on airbags, so I'll do a little mod thing, but I'll tell you guys why I haven't driven it. It's nothing crazy. I've talked about it before. I love this car. It feels interesting driving a stick shift again. I think a new clutch though. It's a baby. It's only like 45,000 miles on this car or so. But I'm pulling in to the motherland, Subaru. I just gotta find out where this beast is. Beamer. Just gotta keep driving. More Beamers. Volvo. Where's my GPS say? All the way down. Sounds so good. Oh, sorry, Asian people. Mini of Ontario. Hey, doesn't this remind you guys of old vlogs of like just putting in the car? Dodge, Chrysler, Jeep, and Ram. I've got a Ram, you guys know that. I love the Ram. Where the... Oh, Subaru. Freaking drove right past it. I'm busy looking at Ram over here, so I'm going to make it right here. I'm actually on back, so I can pop up the front just a little bit. Doesn't do much, but it does do a little bit. Ugh, three-wheel. Paired up. And I'm pulling in. So I always get super nervous when I go to dealers. I don't know why. It's a weird habit of mine. Okay, so I'm gonna go in a big circle. Roundabouts. You guys know roundabouts are very good for traffic control. Oh, here it is. Cool. I'm gonna turn off the camera, hop in there, figure out what they want to do with me. Then I'll be right back with you guys. Hopefully they'll change the airbag. Grab my stuff out of here. Oh my gosh, it's a mess back here. It's embarrassing. Oh shit, I gotta take this with me. Remember AutoCon 17? Backpack. Subaru. It's a beautiful car. Look at that. What a deal. I'm gonna rip my GoPro out of here. Turn this off. wander around a bit. And did you guys know once upon a time I was like really contemplating trading my WRX for a BRZ? Would have gotten one of these. This is like really early in my career. Like I love two-door cars. So this is kind of the ones I really wanted. Obviously the TS wasn't out yet, but this is what I wanted. Look at that. I got my car back. Broke the windows. I need AC. I need to recharge because it is not cold whatsoever. Oh, side note, I'll show you guys a picture. A lot of people got really upset over my picture, and it was sarcasm, like literally sarcasm. And the way I worded the Instagram post was like in quotes, insert clickbait title, and then I said goodbye Subaru, like emotional, like I'll miss you. And it was literally meant to be just sarcasm, humor based, and I did not mean to people to take it the wrong way, but I guess they did, because you guys already know I said I will not sell this car unless we had to, absolutely. But if I had to keep the car, you keep any car, this would probably be one of them, and the Tesla would be the second one. And if I had to, it'd be the truck also. The biggest reason why is because this car is like super practical. I can still fit 5 people in here fairly comfortably. It's all-wheel drive. It's nice and safe. The trunk space is really big. Aaliyah can grow up in this car. It's not like a small car. The gas mileage is great. It's fairly reliable. Nothing like really major wrong with it. I got a service recently. I'm sorry. I got a recalled stuff recently. I'm gonna hit the service soon. So that's why I would keep it. The Tesla is because, you know, we already bought it, we already spent money on it, and it's actually a pretty nice car, and there's no fuel price, so everything is good with that one. The truck is because, well, the truck is like very useful for business, and you guys know I run a business, so having the ability to like haul stuff. Primo, I would not sell it, guys, I promise, unless I had to. But I literally did not mean to upset so many people, so I'm sorry if I upset you guys. But it's hot in here, man. But where are we headed now? We are headed back to the office, to the new office, because we're gonna start learning how to build a wall. Once we build a wall, hopefully we'll do some fun stuff. But he's a Subaru, back and alive. But I am taking the GTR out tonight, and then I'm gonna park it back in the warehouse later on, and then I'm gonna be dailying this for a little bit. But I can only daily this once I get my tags, because my tag show expired and I don't want to get in trouble. So I'm gonna wait until my tags come in, and then I'll drive this car more often. But it's fully insured and everything is good. It's just a matter of getting the tag, so that way cops don't pull me over. Technically, if they run me, they'll see that I already have current registration, because the information gets pushed over to DMV electronically. But I don't want to be pulled over and like them give me a ticket for something else, like, I don't know, modified exhaust, even though it's really quiet.
What's up? Hey, Chacho.
What's up, dude?
Hey.
What's up? How's it going? Yeah, I see you guys.
in real life, dude.
How's it going? How's it going? Yeah, you guys are nice ass cars. Take him to the locker. Don't be scared, guys. Don't be scared.
This is hard. Oh shit.
These guys came from Orange County, so I want to show you guys their cars really quick.
Hi, what's up guys? I'm Tony, and I'm Mike's cousin, dude. We're all new wins here. This is my car back here. It's a 2015 BMW 328i. It's currently kind of bone stock. Yep.
Here's his Instagram. Oh, I like the gold. Car Instagram.
Hello guys, so my name is Jimmy and I'm also Mike's cousin, and this is my 2014 BMW 328i, and it's currently running on a setup that I call OEM Plus. Yeah, that's it.
Instagram?
F30 Viana.
I like
that's my car.
That's the name?
Yep.
Nice.
Hi guys, I'm Randy. Here's my 2015 Mitsubishi Lancer non-Evo or fake Evo, as you can see. My IG's right here. It's literally fake Evo right here.
I like it. I like it. I like it.
What's up, guys? My name is Brian. This is my 2008 Acura TL. Type slow. It's a fake Type S. It's bone stock. I bought the car off the dealers like this. No, just kidding. It's wrapped in blue, aluminum blue from Arlon. Got a J-pipe, exhaust, ported runners, manifold. And we currently work for SoCal Exotic Reps. So give us a follow on Instagram. We still got the hustle grind. This is back in the OG days. And follow my Instagram, Smurf TL.
Nice.
And our YouTube.
What?
There you go.
I like it. I like it. See ya. Meanwhile, we're back at the other HQ. What we're doing over here is unloading the GTR so I can take it tonight to K1. They have a little drift event. So that'll be a separate video. But take the GTR, move the 240, park it away, clean that up a little bit, and head back to the other office to continue working. Thank you. Nice car, man. Thank you. Air ride, huh? Yeah. Nice. It's a must.
Woo! Shit! That's crazy.
Cars look good next to each other.
Hello there.
I'm out here hanging out with the next big YouTuber just to let you guys know. Introducing Omar!
What's up, guys?
Why the fuck are you so parked so close to me? Seriously?
Listen, when two
Listen,
buddies park
listen,
in a space
Listen.
like this, you try to squeeze it as much as possible
listen.
to give everyone else a lot of space.
Shut your